and welcome back to another Halloween video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I thought I would show you my recipe for a cold pumpkin spice coffee. So, let's go! So for this recipe you will be needing 600 millilitres of milk. I like to use lacto-free skinny milk. 100 millilitres of hot water mixed with 2 teaspoons of coffee. I use decaf coffee. So I use boiling water to melt it all and then let it really cool down. 2 tablespoons of pumpkin spice syrup, coffee syrup, and a spatula, a glass, and something to serve it in. I'm personally going to be using this skull jar, glass, vessel thing because it is Halloween. So the first thing I'm going to do is add all of my coffee to my milk. Followed by my coffee syrup. And now I'm going to mix this together with my spatula until well combined. So now that that is all done, I'm going to pour some of this into my glass. And then the rest of it I'm going to put into my skull head for later. And that is the easiness of using a measuring jug with a pouring spout to do this. So here we have the end product. This recipe makes around 700 millilitres of this drink, which I think is easily enough for 2 people. So I really hope that you guys make this and enjoy this as much as I do. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the recipe for this lovely drink and the links to the syrup and the equipment you will need to be able to make this drink. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!